stepping into the workforce or coming out of the education system and stepping into the workforce, my brain was trained to strive, to excel, to be the best I can be so I can have all that I want in life. And at that point, I didn't actually know what I wanted. I didn't know who I wanted to be when I grew up. So I just went along with the expectations or the model that was given to me through my parents, through society, and through the education system. And everything looked great on the outside, but on the inside, I totally abandoned my sense of self, who I am, what I stand for. I was a machine. If this is something you can relate to, I want you to know that you're not alone. And this is a beautiful turning point for you, where you actually have an opportunity to step into the vision beyond the vision. And that is the vision beyond the vision that has been imprinted throughout your life, that you've been living into. And you have the power to actually recreate and redesign your life in a way that brings meaning and fulfillment and joy and freedom. Everything that you value in life, you can absolutely have. You just might have been walking a pathway of limitation and condition. So I want to invite you, if you're at this place, take your power into the now and reflect on, what does your heart really want and how do you really want to live?